Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to change your name on Telegram. Whether you want to update your display name for privacy, give yourself a fresh new look online, or just fix a typo you made when signing up, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to update your name on Telegram in just a few easy steps. So let's jump right in and get started. First, you'll want to open your Telegram app. Now look up at the top left of your screen, you'll see something known as the hamburger menu. It's called that because it kind of looks like a little hamburger. 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Go ahead and tap that. If you've never noticed it before, now's the time. It's the main way to get into all of Telegram's settings and options. After you tap the hamburger menu, you'll see a new screen slide out from the side. At the very top of this menu, you'll see your profile picture along with your current display name and phone number. You're going to want to tap right on your profile. This is going to open up your personal info page where you can review and change things like your username, your profile photo, and of course your name. Once your profile is open, cast your eyes to the top right corner. You'll spot a little pencil icon. This pencil is Telegram's universal sign for edit. Go ahead and tap it. If you're worried about making a mistake, don't stress. You can always come back and change your information again later. Now, after tapping the pencil, you'll see 2 fields right at the top, first name and last name. Changing your name here is super straightforward. Just tap into the field you want to update and type in your new name. For example, if you just got married and want to update your last name, or maybe you go by a new nickname with your friends, simply make the change. If you'd prefer not to display a last name at all, you can leave that part blank. Telegram actually allows you to have only a first name if you want. Take your time here. Think about how you want other people to see you in chats and groups. This is the name that'll show up everywhere, so you want it to be clear and recognizable. When you're satisfied, just hit the checkmark or save option depending on your device and you're done. Your new name will take effect right away, updating across all your chats and contacts. This process shouldn't take more than a minute, but don't worry if you need to double-check your spelling or tweak things later. You're free to update your Telegram name as often as you like. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your name on Telegram. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, smash that like button. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment down below. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.